Hey, to whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worrying. I get it, the odds seem stacked back against the wall, but even consider it such, know you'll stand tall. Sat and watch from the sidelines one too many times. Wicked games we play make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need a boost, count on me for the 1-2. Trouble don't last when the tough get going. Baby, all we do is win, so show me my opponent. Adversity, doubt, stress, could care less, cause how we handle those like an S on our chest. Super proud of how we held it down on the way up. Can't wait for our day to ball, this is a layup. Nobody ever said this would be easy, but trust when I say that you got it. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change don't come, oh yes it's true. Brighter days are straight ahead. Follow me, won't be misled. Just look up, don't hang your head, and we'll get to the promised land. Somebody loves you, please don't.
Alright, so we got our first rafter cut. I did that last night off camera because that was the most frustrating thing ever. I had to figure it out. But we made it, we did it. But we got it cut and ready to go. And then we got the back end cut so it's level so that I can catch rain water and put some barrels back here. So this will be my template. So let's get to work. Another day on the homestead, it wouldn't be right. I think I need to mark out every 16 inches up there. I think that's what we're doing for the roof, is every 16 inches. So this is one, and then let's see how many more we need. Jeez. $16.32.48. Get up on the other side and do the other side. I think my girl miscounted. It's supposed to be 7. She counted 6. It is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 7. All right, so this board is going to be the template for 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we're going to have to cut another one over here at the end because it won't latch onto this joist. Because it's the way that I have it, it'll be flatter. So we'll cut those 2 pieces out here. So let's get this down and let's get to cutting. One down, 1, 2, 3. 3 more to go.
Such, take your time, no need to feel rushed, we gon' shine. Somehow one day, word to O'Shea, today's been a good day. Don't let one bad apple spoil the tree. The fruits of our labor seem ripe, can't you see? A little insight, so they'll never dim your light. Been wrong for too long, this here feels so right. Leave your fears in the rear view, right now on the mission. Tryna stay the course on this road to redemption. Giving up seems tempting, but no need, cause I got you and you got me. A little UNITY will get us by. Through the storm and the rain, I'll be by your side. Look alive, the best has yet to come. Just some words of wisdom, plenty more. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change gon' come, oh yes it's true. Brighter days are straight ahead. Follow me, won't be misled. Just look up, don't hang your head.
All right, we got them all cut out. Now it's time to put them up. This is the good part.
Tryna stay the course on this road to redemption. Giving up seems tempting, but no need, cause I got you and you got me. A little UNITY will get us by. Through the storm and the rain, I'll be by your side. Look alive, the best has yet to come. Just some words of wisdom, plenty more. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change gon' come, oh yes it's true. Brighter days are straight ahead. Follow me, won't be misled. Just look up, don't hang your head, and we'll get to the promise, yeah. And it may seem like things ain't working out, but I know we gon' find a way without a doubt. Just hold on a little longer, you gon' see this through. I've been there, certain things always remain true.
All right, y'all. Look at that. Our first lean-to. And this is going to be the kind of the theme of our buildings around here. It's going to be like lean-tos. Our house is definitely going to be the same way. Where it leans like this. So, but we got to get the last, we're going to have to go back to Lowe's when we go out to get groceries and get the last board to go in the end. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one right here to match. And guys, we gonna have us a roof. Yeah?
Ava wants to say hi.
Say hi.
Say hello.
Say hey.
Say hi.
Say hey. All right, y'all. We did it! Our first roof. Alright. Guys, don't be afraid to try stuff, man. There's nothing wrong with failing, especially if you're spending your own money. If you fail, you fail. But hey, you tried, right? You tried. So this is our first time trying to build a shed. Usually we would have gotten somebody, or she probably would have paid for somebody 100% to do this. Me, ever since we got together, I'm like, I'll do it. I'm more of a hands-on person. I like to build. I like to do stuff.
Essentially, I married Bob the Builder.
Essentially, Bob the handyman, I guess. I'm a rig it up. You feel me? But let's go, man. We got it done. All the boards look to be flat here. So all the way across. I could not master the bird mouth. So I did the old Jason Crocker and cut the 2x4 out of it. It works, man. It works. We in there. So we got a foot overhang in the front. I mean in the back and a little bit in the front. So we got one more board to go get, then we're done. Well, this happened while we was gone. So, there we have it. But let's get this last one off and let's get it cut for this template is over here. Can y'all hear me good now? Because I'm way over here. I wonder if y'all can hear me good now. If y'all can hear me good now, drop down in the comments. Your mic is working. All right, I've been had this mic. Holy cow. I've been had this mic because I record music videos, and if you've seen the other channel, then y'all see me, oh, that's too tall. Then y'all see me riding four-wheelers, and yeah. So I have a whole bunch of camera equipment, but when I'm making videos like this, or when I started this channel, I wanted to be mobile and be able to do stuff without carrying around a whole bunch of equipment. So let's get this cut. This girl is supposed to be out here helping me, and she's telling me that she's about to leave and go to the store again. Talking about she forgot something. All right, whatever. Today is her day off, so she is usually out here helping me on her days off. Is what she's supposed to be doing. But she finds a way. She finds a way to disappear. And she let the dogs out. It just rained. They're going to get muddy. Come on now. Oh, Lord. We had a whole nother video planned out that I was trying to do and everything. We're trying to do a Q&A for you guys. If this video comes out before the Q&A, I might end up editing the Q&A tonight. So, but anyways, we were trying to do a Q&A so you guys can get to know us. So yeah, but back to the rafter. All right, over here on this rafter, these are the outside ones. Don't pay attention to my cuts. I'm still trying to get good at it. But anyways, when we line these up, we had to make sure that a 2x4 fits in between them. Likewise, bam, bam. All right. We wanted a foot drop in the back, so that's a foot. And then this is the, whatever you call it. But yeah, we cut that off to the pitch of the roof so that when we put our gutters on, it'll be nice and tight. And then on the top side, we did the same thing with a 2x4, just cut out a 2x4 length in the top. So that's how I did my rafters. I'm not spiffy, I'm still learning, like I said, so hey, bear with me.
So I convinced D'Angelo that I forgot something while we were out. We forgot turkey, which it's on sale. 2 for 1.
Oh man, well, rain again. We didn't make it to Home Depot, so that is always good. Can y'all hear me better though? That's the real question. Well, we are right here to the very end of the roof. Last rafter in place. Nail this last one down. I got all the rest of them in, so it's just this last one. So last one, baby. I nice and good. All right, well, my gun is probably way over there. All right. Well, the roof is complete. I think I'm gonna come back and add some going across. Probably maybe on the inside, to be honest with y'all. I think that'll be the easiest for me anyway. It is about to start raining on me again, so I just want to see how this is and then get some extra bracing on this roof. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. See, the mic is folded in. That's what I don't like. See, if I have it out like this, then it'll fall off. But to get some extra bracing going on this, I am going to be taking, because it's 8 foot wide, I'm just going to be taking my 8-foot board, putting it underneath of the rafters, and to kind of lock them in place a little bit. Probably should have pre-drilled this. Holy cow, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pre-drill it now that I know kind of where I'm at. All right, that's a lot better. So we'll go. All right, good there. Then we got another one over here. Locked in, so I'll just go back and tighten them all up. Oh, the rain is getting in my eyeballs. I can barely even look up. Yeah, this is probably gonna be the end of this video. Oh man. Which I don't mind it being in the inside anyways. That really don't matter to me. As long as it's all locked in. So I'll probably add like probably like 3 more of those. But I'm going inside because it's going to rain. And we're going to come back out when it stops raining.
Come on, I need help.
Need help. Let me get my shoes on.
Okay.
What is this? What the heck is that? What is that?
It's turkey. They were on sale 2 for 1.
2 for 1?
Yeah.
Oh, forgive me. What are you doing?
We got turkeys.
You plan on eating these?
Eventually.
Those things are ugly. They ain't ugly. Now we got 2 turkeys in there. Oh, you gotta take their class photo. Class photo time.
Hey, to whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worrying. I get it, the odds seem stacked back against the wall, but even consider it such, know you'll stand tall. Sat and watch from the sidelines one too many times. Wicked games we play make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need a boost, count on me for the 1-2. Trouble don't last when the tough get going. Baby, all we do is win, so show me my opponent. Adversity, doubt, stress, could care less, cause how we handle those like an S on our chest. Super proud of how we held it down on the way up. Can't wait for our day to ball, this is a layup. Nobody ever said this would be easy, but